You feel that RPM flare between first and second gear and think your E90's transmission is shot. It's almost certainly not. The problem is likely this $50 piece of rubber. This is the Mechatronic Bridge Seal. To understand its job, think of the Mechatronic unit as the transmission's brain. It's a complex part inside the transmission pan that uses a valve body, a maze of channels, and electronic solenoids to direct high-pressure fluid. That fluid pressure is what engages the clutches to give you the next gear. The bridge seal's only job is to create a tight connection between that valve body and the transmission case, so no pressure escapes. But after years of heat cycles, this rubber seal gets hard, brittle, and flat. It shrinks and cracks. When you ask for second gear, the computer commands it, but the fluid pressure needed to lock the clutches bleeds off through that cracked seal. The engine revs up, that's your flare, before pressure finally builds enough to grab the gear. That hard thump you might feel when coming to a stop is the same problem in reverse. The system can't smoothly regulate pressure for the downshift into first gear. This isn't a rare failure. It's one of the most common issues on these ZF 6 HP automatics. Pouring in fresh fluid won't fix this. It's like putting a new air filter on an engine with a huge vacuum leak. The problem isn't the quality of the fluid, it's the physical hole it's leaking through. The pump makes the pressure, but this seal has to hold it. With a crack, that pressure escapes before it can fully engage the clutch pack. The real fix is to drop the transmission pan and service the Mechatronic unit. You're not rebuilding the transmission, you're just replacing the key seals and electronics that control it. First, you install a Mechatronic refresh kit. This starts with the new bridge seal, OEM part number 1068298044. While the unit is out, you must also replace the 4 round tube seals that go between the Mechatronic unit and the case. They live in the same hot fluid and fail at the same rate. Skipping them means you'll be doing this job again soon. For a complete fix, you should also replace the set of pressure regulator solenoids. These are the electronic switches that get weak over time, causing slow or lazy shifts. New solenoids restore the crisp response the transmission had when it was new. Finally, you'll install a new pan, which has the filter built into it, and fill with the correct fluid. For the ZF 6 HP, this must be ZF Lifeguard 6, or a fluid that meets the Shell M1375.4 specification. Using a generic multi-vehicle fluid will cause problems. Ignoring this pressure leak will eventually burn up your clutch packs from the constant slipping. That turns a simple seal replacement into a full transmission rebuild.